in our path of progress as we go forward.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Friday launched the Meghalaya Youth League 2024 at the State Convention Centre, Shillong. The league, organised by the Meghalaya Football Association, aims to scout young talent and provide a platform for career development in football. The Chief Minister expressed his support for the initiative, acknowledging the association's credibility and contribution to the sports development in the state. The league will commence on July 20th, 2024, with participation from 20 affiliated clubs divided into 4 zones, and will feature sub-junior, under-14 and junior under-16 categories.
Important stakeholders for us. They are our future, and it is important as a society and as a government that we are able to nurture them in the right manner. We're able to create a positive environment. And hence, I'm happy that in the last 6 years, there has been unprecedented support for our youth, especially when it comes to areas like sports.
The state government has decided to cancel